guys, it's Kelly Foreman, the MopTop Girl, and today I'm here to talk about how to get amazing curls. One really critical thing that people forget is that it's really important to use natural shampoos and conditioners as stylers as well. Some people forget that gels can cause crunch and flakiness if you have buildup from chemicals in your hair, as well as our body produces an oily waxy substance called sebum, and you need to get that removed as well. Really quick, easy way to do that is I highly recommend everyone, most important product, our detox shampoo. Should use that once every 4 to 6 weeks. If you color your hair, I would suggest you do it before you color your hair. Another really simple thing, you don't have to use a lot of gel. For me, for my length of hair and my density of hair, so I have a normal size ponytail, I use about a nickel size portion of the Curly Hair Custard per section. So if I'm doing 3 sections, then 3 nickels. If I'm being lazy and trying to make it go faster, I'll do 2 sections, so a quarter size on each. And I'll apply it to wet hair from root to end. I do kind of that praying motion. I scrunch it, and then I do not touch it until it is 70 to 80% dry. And that is really, really important. And the reason for that is curls are friends. They like to be together. If you start messing with them and touching them and scrunching them before they are that dry, then they'll separate and you're left with frizz. The middle school girl in me always tends to first use too much styler and gel, which can create a cast that can feel a little bit crunchy. It's just the gel cast. That is not a problem. Wait until your hair is 70 to 80% dry, then scrunch it and release the cast. If by chance you've used way too much, another quick tip is you could use our Mongongo Oil, just a few drops in your hand, emulsify and scrunch to release that cast, and then it's done. Next time, don't use quite so much. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on whichever channel you purchase from. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.